If you're in the gold business, you're all too familiar with the daily grind, right? The stress of manual calculations, worrying about security, just drowning in paperwork. But what if there was a genuinely better way? Well, today we're going to take a look at AURVEX. It's a system that's really designed to completely transform how a gold shop operates. So let's dive in. Let's be real. The daily grind in a gold shop can be absolutely relentless. I mean, every single day you're fighting these battles, aren't you? Battling the risk of a simple calculation error costing you a fortune, constantly worrying about security, and just losing hours, precious hours, to those tedious end-of-day procedures. But what if you could just wipe that struggle away for good? Okay, take a look at this comparison because it says it all. On one side, you've got the old way. It's just chaos, isn't it? A mountain of paperwork, the constant stress of typing everything in by hand, and always that nagging fear of making a mistake. But then look at the right. That's the AURVX way. It's calm, it's automated, and it's dead-on accurate. This is the huge shift we're talking about. So let's break down what these struggles actually cost you, in real terms. A single misplaced decimal point, that can mean huge financial losses. An employee who's distracted for just a second, that's a serious security risk. And think about this. Spending 2, even 3 hours every single day just reconciling the books, that's not just wasted time. It's the kind of thing that just drains the passion right out of why you got into this business in the first place. So what's the solution? Well, it's all about having a centralized command center. AURVEX gives you exactly that. One single, super intuitive dashboard that honestly puts you back in complete control of every single part of your business. All right, so forget about manually updating prices or just guessing. With AURVX, you get a live gold price ticker built right into your dashboard. What does that mean for you? It means every single calculation is based on up-to-the-second market data. This guarantees you have perfect pricing on every transaction, every single time. No more guesswork. And a huge part of the power of AURVEX is getting those instant insights. You don't have to wait for some end-of-the-month report anymore to figure out how things are going. Nope. With just a single glance, you can see your daily sales, spot trends as they're happening, and start making smart decisions to actually grow the business. Okay, so the dashboard gives you that amazing big picture view. But now let's zoom in a little and see how AURVEX totally transforms your day-to-day workflow. We're talking about making every single transaction fast, simple, and completely error-proof. So what's the magic behind all this efficiency? Well, it's the smart QR system. It's pretty brilliant, actually. Every single item in your inventory gets its own unique QR code. And with one quick scan, poof, you instantly have all its details. This completely gets rid of manual data entry and all the mistakes that come with it, for good. And the transaction process itself? It is lightning fast. Seriously, watch this. You scan the item's QR code. Boom! The system instantly calculates the price using that live market data we talked about. You click one more time, and boom! A professional digital invoice is ready to go. The whole thing literally takes seconds, not minutes. So what does this actually mean for your workday? Well, that grueling 2 to 3 hour reconciliation process at the end of the day. Yeah, that becomes a quick, maybe 15-minute task. That is a staggering reduction of over 90%. Think about that. It frees you up to focus on what really matters, growing your business and taking care of your customers. But look, AURVX isn't just about making today more efficient. It's really about setting you up for a better tomorrow. It takes all your sales data, which is usually just sitting there, and turns it into this powerful strategic asset. And it does that by using AI to help you make way smarter and way more profitable decisions. So, just imagine this for a second. What if your system could do more than just report on what happened yesterday? What if it could actually help you predict the future? This is how the AI inside AURVEX is constantly analyzing historical data and market trends to predict where prices might go next. So when you're facing that big decision, should I buy more stock today or should I sell? You can get a clear, data-driven recommendation. It's literally like having a financial analyst on your team 24/7 helping you make those tough inventory calls. Now, of course, none of these cool features would matter if the system wasn't secure and reliable, right? Well, you can rest easy. All of this is built on an absolutely rock-solid foundation. AURVEX is engineered from the ground up to be a system you can truly trust, day in and day out. And for those of you who are a bit more tech-savvy, you'll appreciate what's under the hood.
AURVEX is built on a really powerful modern technology stack. We use React for a super fast and smooth user interface, Laravel for a secure and robust backend, and MySQL to make sure all your data is managed precisely. Look, this isn't just another piece of software. It's a true enterprise-grade solution built for the real demands of the modern gold market.
So there you have it. That's AURVEX. And as you can see, it's so much more than just a management system. It's a complete evolution for your business. It's really time to stop letting those old manual processes hold you back. It's time to embrace a smarter, faster, and way more profitable future. The only question is, are you ready to make that change? Thanks so much for watching.